How to turn on events push notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on events push notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in top corner and go down, click settings and then notifications. Now go down until you find this one, events, click on it and then just turn push on, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.